Okay, guys, we're here. We're looking at our kite, and of course, we should remember that the kite, by definition, has two sets of adjacent congruent sides. But the thing we want to remember about the kite is the diagonals. And with the diagonals, as I hope you remember, the diagonals are perpendicular. The diagonals are perpendicular, and one diagonal bisects the other. So in other words, the diagonals form a cross shape. The diagonals form a cross shape. This diagonal AC is perpendicularly bisected by diagonal BD. By diagonal BD. Okay? So the perpendicular, of course, is indicated with the box here, and the bisector is indicated by the triple slash on that. Okay? Now, the formula is real simple. Formula is real simple. It says just know what the diagonals are and take their product and cut it in half. So regardless of how I swing this out, I've asked Sketchpad to compute the area. Okay, I've asked Sketchpad to compute the area. Now, okay, since I know my formula is half diagonal times diagonal, and I have my diagonal measurements up here, I'm just going to go to the calculate calculate menu, and I'm going to say, okay, let's calculate 0.5, of course, which is 1/2, times the one diagonal times the other diagonal. Oh, sorry, didn't take. Let's do it again. Okay, number, calculate. Okay, 1/2, 0.5. Okay, times one diagonal times the other diagonal. Okay, and there's our area, exact area that Sketchpad figures out right there. Okay, exact area computed by half the diagonal times the diagonal. So let's just make some easy numbers here. Let's make this one diagonal 10. Okay, we'll make that one diagonal 10. Or yeah, close enough. Okay, and the other diagonal will make 5. Okay, and of course half of 5 times 10 is half of 50. So the area, as you can see, is pretty much close to 50. At any rate, half the diagonal times the diagonal, half the product of the two diagonals, is the area for a kite. For a kite. And surprisingly enough, it's also the same exact formula we're going to have for a rhombus. For a rhombus, half the product of the two diagonals is not only the area formula for the kite, it's also the area formula for a rhombus. And of course, since these diagonals are perpendicular, then we can see that there are right angles in here, right angles, and also right triangles all over the place, 4 right triangles. So don't be surprised when you find your problems are asking you to find the area, but they're not giving you the diagonals. They may be giving you the sides, and you're going to recognize special combinations, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10s, 9, 12, 15s, or you're going to recognize 45, 45, 90s, or 30, 60, 90 triangles in there. So even if you don't have the diagonals, their exact measurement, you'll have a way of finding them if you remember those special right triangles. So here we go again, the area formula for not only a kite, but also for a rhombus, half the product of the two diagonals. It's one of the easiest area formulas out there. Half the product of the two diagonals, and like I said, don't forget, right, anytime you see right triangles, remember your special combinations because they're going to be in there, okay? And when you don't have everything you need to find the area, those special right triangles will help you find it if you remember those special combinations. Okay, so there you have it.